Oh my goodness, what do we have here? This is a hot mess. Oh my goodness. All right, my fancy fabulous friends, we have our work cut out for us today. Let's get to work. All right, so we are gonna start like a trash pile. Just gonna put all the trash over there. Trash will go right here. Oh, this is definitely trash. Yeah. Okay, so we still have a little ways to go. We're just taking everything out. Now, I've discovered some things. Hot rollers. You've never seen these. They are so cool. Check it out. And then you just like clip them on to your hair with these. These are so cool. I have to play around with these. Okay. And goodness. Well, a lot of discoveries, that's for sure. All right, so grab this stuff. Oh. Oh, I was looking for this. Oh my goodness. My nail polish remover. Okay. for the car. Car polish? I bet my husband was looking for this. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna clean this out. Oh, some makeup. Okay, so here's the final reveal. So this is quite a transformation. Oh my goodness. Now, this took a lot longer than I anticipated. So this will definitely teach me a lesson to not let this linen closet get that crazy anymore, because now it's organized. It's awesome. I'm excited. So we're going to keep it this way. All right, so my fancy fabulous friends, thanks for watching. I hope you are inspired to declutter in those secret places. This was definitely my secret messy place. So out with the old, in with the new. This is week 2 of our collaboration. Don't forget, Clean Home 23. That's the hashtag. Check out the other videos in this collaboration. I will link all of the hosts. Penny's Lifestyle Living. Our Miss Penny is the host. There's a host of wonderful co-hosts, including myself, and I will link all of their information in the description box. Have an amazing day, my fancy fabulous friends. See you in the next video. Bye.